So when we are finding the straight line, so we know, of course, the format of the straight line, y equals a plus bx. So y is the dependent or the response variable. What is a? A is the, remember, a is the intercept. Interceptors. So what you learn? Y equals mx plus cs for your year 10 maths. Same thing. So c is the intercept, but in this case we are saying it's a, right? The c has become a, and then m has become b. The rest is the same, right? So intercept is a. What is intercept? I mean, what do you mean by intercept? Intercept is the place where the graph touches the y-axis, right? And then next one is b. What is b? B is the slope or the gradient. What is slope or the gradient? Yeah. By how much y value would change when x value changes by 1 unit? Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. So basically, in this case, right, determine the equation of the straight line graph shown opposite. So how do we find? Let's say we were given an equation like this. How do we find the equation? Firstly, you do the, what is it? You can find the, sorry, y-intercept. It is very clear, which is 2, yes. So this is the y-intercept, which is a, right? And then the other one we have to find is b, or the slope. How do we find the slope? Rise over run. Yes, slope is equal to rise over run. How do we do the rise over run? Y2 minus y1. Yes, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So then for this one, we have to figure out two parts for the two coordinates for the y2 and y1. So let's say this is coordinate 1, right? Coordinate 1. And let's say, what do we take? Probably I would take here, right? You know why I'm taking here? There, because see, it is exactly kind of, otherwise I can take this one as well. I can take this, or else I can take this. I would say it's a similar thing because it is exactly touching. We can get the values. This one is going to be 9, right? See, this is 9. And then I can take this one, this value, which is 3.5. Yeah. Otherwise, if you think it has a decimal place, we can take basically the other one. Right? I would take this, which is 9 here and 5 here. Right? This is the coordinate number 2. Then tell me what is y2? What is y2 here? Yeah, this is what we name it. This is, I said this is coordinate 1, that's 2. Yeah, you have to do that when you are doing it. Otherwise, you might say, one coordinate you will take firstly, then for when you go to the denominator, you might solve the coordinates. You know what I mean? Yeah. So then what is y2 here? Nine, yes. And then what is yes, y1 is 2, good. And what is x2? And x1 is 0, very good. So that means 9 take away 2 is 7 and 5. As a result, we can say we can take 5 over 7, 7 over 5, otherwise we can simplify. I think we'll take it as a fraction. Yeah. Oh no, they have done it in decimals. So then 1.4. So then we have the equation format. Y equals a plus bx. So a we figured it out to, and b 1.4x. Clear? Good. Yeah, try this one. Yeah. Yeah, what's the answer? Y equals, yeah, 3 plus 4x. 3 plus, what is it? 4x. Well, the equation you got. Right. No. You sure it's 4x? Hmm. Yeah, what coordinates did you get?
First one is 0, 3.
0, 3, which is this one. And
I did. Oh, wait. I did 7 instead of 5.
okay.
It'll be, and then I did, 1.
Right, so run.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how did you do in the denominator, sorry, numerator?
5 minus 3.
Yep.
And then 1 minus 0.
Yep. So then basically
That'll be 2.
2. Yeah. So then this will be 2x. Yes. Yep. Okay. Now we are doing the same thing equation of the line that passes to the points 2, 1 and 4, 10. Right. Then when we have been given this one, maybe we would be given the graph or we were not given the graph. But that's fine. So let's say, imagine this graph wasn't given. So then I'm going to hide it. Then we are going to see from these 2 points. Still, we can do the same thing. Yeah. So then you can name whichever it is number 1, number 2, right? I would call this one number 1, coordinate 1, and this one coordinate 2. So then I do the same thing, right? I would do to calculate the b or the slope, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, then 10 take away 4, sorry, 10 take away, no, the other way. 4 take away 10 take away 2, sorry, 1, and then 4 take away 2, which is 9 over 2. So I'm getting 4.5. So as a result, what happens? Firstly, I'm finding the, what is it? Slope. So I found the slope, which you already know. So I'll write it here. B equals 4.5. Okay, now what we are going to do is, now we have to find what? Yes, now in our equation it is y equals a plus bx. Now we found the b. We need the next one, find a. Yeah. So basically, how we are going to find this, right? A. We know that at a, what is it? X equals, yes. So what do you mean by y-intercept? Y-intercept is this, yes. On the y-intercept, what's the x value? 0, yes, because along the y-axis, right? Along the y-axis, we are seeing the x value is 0. At this point, x is 0. Similarly, along the x-axis, right? Along the x-axis, y is 0. Okay, so x values are vertical. See, x values are vertical. This is x is 1, this is x is 2, like that. X values are vertical. Similarly, y, or in contrast, y values are horizontal, right? Like that. Okay, all right. Now, but its axis is different. Its x-axis is horizontal, right? Right, even though its values are vertical. Okay, however, that's a different thing, right? So then we know that at x, we know x at a, x is 0, but we know b is 4.5 times 0. Okay, so this I'm substituting the values for y equals a plus bx, right? So then a is what we are going to find. We know x is 0, and then equation. Yeah. Then after that, yeah. Yeah. So what we can do is yeah. Before that, before we substitute this one, we have to equate we have to equate any point, right? Let's say I would pick this point. At this point, we can find what it is equal to it. So what we can do is y equals, at this point, y is 10, then x is 4, b we know 4.5, right? And then we are going to find for a, right? So then a, we can find 4.5 times by 4 is 18, and this is 10. So as a result, 18 is going to the other side, becomes negative. As a result, a will be minus 8. So then a will be, what is it? Minus 8. Yeah. Same thing. Now what we did was we substituted the coordinate number 1 there. Sorry, oh yeah, that's the one we took, yes. Whatever that coordinate is what we got. Otherwise we can get the same answer from the from any coordinate. Even from this one also we can get the same thing. Okay. Yeah, so in the textbook they have taken 2 and 1, still you are getting C, A is minus 8. So then our equation is going to be, what is it? Y equals negative 8 plus 4.5 x. Yep. Yep. Try this one. Yeah. Yeah. What's your answer? Yes, equation.
Y equals negative 8 plus 6x.
Y equals negative 8
Plus 6x.
6x. Yep. Correct. Yeah. The next one. Now that is all we were doing manually. Then we can use the CAS also to do the same thing, right? Okay. Do you have a TI1? Yeah. Right. Then what you are going to do is, yeah, please start new document. And then so for X and Y, you can enter the coordinates for x okay. Then you have to go to the plotting, control N, and add data and statistics. Yeah. Yeah. You have to go control N.
Ready with the X and Y. Yeah. 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 You only say that that disappears.
So yes.
Yeah, and then
Yeah, basically, did you go to control N and data statistics?
yeah, I did that, but then it tells me to save it and then it just disappears. I think.
Did you get the plotting? No. Then having entered the data, the person entered the data for X.
Yeah.
2, and then so on. After that, go to the home button. Then what is it? To get the graph, yes. Now you are getting. Then you can go to press tab and select the variable x from the list. Yeah. And then did you get the line? Good. Then you have to go to the regression. Number 5. Got it? Right. So y equals -8 plus 4.5x. Sorry, good. Right. Then we'll do a couple of questions. Probably we'll do one in manually and then the other one. Which one are you comfortable doing? Which one are you comfortable in doing? Using the CAS or manually?
Both are fine.
Fine. Okay, then do question 6 and 7. So this is relatively less. So this guy is less. So A is greater than equal to 1. So depending on the values we can out.
For that one, I got y equals 2 plus 1, 2x.
Yep.
1.2x.
Yep. Y equals 1, sorry, 2 plus, yeah, correct, very good. So that means you should be fine with this.
Yeah.
Right, so then. Right, so reaction portion is what we have is done. Yeah, then we have to do linear modeling. Right, now, so linear modeling is same thing that we are going to do, but we are going to project or anticipate what is going to happen to the y variable or the response variable when x changes, right? So that's basically what we say as modeling. Right, now have a look at this. Water is pumped into a partially full tank, right? The graph gives the volume of water V. Now, why it says partially full tank is, now see, because when the time is 0, right? So the time, so they are giving us with the time, we are filling the tank, and then volume measured in water, water measured in volume is increasing. And then look at this, when the time is 0, so still there is water here. That means what is the water level? Probably this is 400 means should be 200. Yep. So then there is already 200, which I mean, according to our theoretical perspective, we can say this is the y-intercept. Yes. That's the y-intercept, which is A. Right. Then let's answer the questions. How much water is in the tank at the start? What is it? 200 liters. How much water is in the tank after 10 minutes? So 1200, yes, correct, which is this. 10 minutes, 1200. The tank holds 2000. How long does it take to fill? 18 minutes. You sure? Yes, at this point it is 18, right? But if you are taking from 0, then it's a different story. But at this point, because it is 200 filled, and then it will take 18 minutes to fill the entire tank. Then we have to find the equation in terms of V and T that we can. So what do we do, Ramin? We are going to use what? Yes, y equals a plus bx. Yeah, so then for that one, what is our first step to find? Slope, yes, which is b. How do we find b? So around, tell me some values here. So 0 and 200, yes. We'll take it as number 2. No, sorry, we'll take it as number 1.
And then we can
Yes, this one, number 2. Yep. Okay. Right. So then basically, what do we do? Y2 minus Y1. So in this case, Y2 will be, tell me Y2. Sorry, how much?
Y2 would be 1,200.
Yep. And then X2 will be 10. And Y1 will be, sorry, 200. And Y1 will be 0. So then technically, it is 1000 divided by 10, which is 100. Right. Then use the equation to calculate the volume of the water in the tank after 15 minutes. Right? After 15 minutes, what do we do? Then now we have found the equation. Our equation is going to be y equals 200 plus 100 times x. Yep. So after 15 minutes, what do we do? You substitute 15 for x. So then will be how much? Y will be yep. So basically 1700 is 15 times by 100, 1500 plus 200, 1700, right? Then if what rate is the water pump into the tank and how many liters are pumped into the tank each minute? So at what rate is the water pump into the tank? What is the rate? Every minute? Yes, every minute it's going to be 100. Yes, correct. So that means each minute, yes, each minute it is 100 liters, right? Yeah, 100 liters per minute. Okay. Any questions with this? No? Then we'll do this one. Right. Right. What's the answer for A? Yep. And B? Yep. C?
200 minutes.
200 minutes. Yes. Yep. And then D?
The equation y equals a plus 30x.
Yes. Now this one, you have to write in this one, in this format. V and T.
Oh.
Okay. So then you can say V equals yeah, V equals 4,000 plus 30 T. Yeah, so because they're asking you to write in terms of V and T. Yeah. Right. Then E.
I didn't calculate it, but
Yeah, calculate it.
yeah. I wrote it down. Do I just do 30 times
Yes.
50?
Yep.
So I use term V and T.
Yeah.
So V equals 4,000 plus 30 times 50, so 4,000 pounds.
Yep. So it is
180x.
sorry, which X? Sorry.
180.
No, so 30 times what is it? 150 plus 4,000, yes, which is
I didn't calculate.
Yeah, so you have to calculate. Tell me.
8,500.
Yep. Then F
30. It is, oh,
30 liters per minute. Yes. Yeah, correct. Good. I think it should be fine. Okay. Any questions, Raman? No, no, this one. This is a little bit different, but the same story. Value of new car depreciates with time. You know depreciation? Yes, the value is decreasing. Yes. Graph shows how the value a car depreciates. Time t years. What was the value of the car when it was new? Right? When it was new, what happens is, what do you think when it was new?
I said, we-
Yes, high, which is, how much do you think it is? When it is new means what's the time? Yeah, time is, when it is new, what's the time?
oh, 1 year.
1 year? You sure? When it is new, it is 1 year or something else?
Think so.
No. 1 year means 1 year old. So when it is new means the time is 0. Makes sense? Or doesn't make sense? Makes sense, yeah? So when the time is 0 means, yeah, it's new. Yeah, you have just purchased, yeah? Time is 0. So 1 means after 1 year. So if you purchase a car today, time is 0. So maybe next year, this time, it will be 1 year, yeah? Okay, so then this is how much? I think 27,500. Probably. Yeah, 27,500. Okay, so just right in the middle of 30 and 25K. So 27,500. Then the value of the car when it was 5 years old. When it is 5 years old, how much? 15,000. Okay, that's 15,000. And then part C, find the equation of the line in terms of V and T. So then we have to do the same thing. What is it? Rise over run, yes. Then we will pick some two values. Probably, yeah, we'll pick 15 and yeah. So we'll say this is y2. I mean, sorry, this is coordinate number 2. This is coordinate number 1. So as a result, y2 will be 25K. Y1 is 15K over X2 is 1, X1 is 5. So then what is happening is you are getting a negative value. So 25 take away 15 is 10,000. Right? 1 minus 5 is minus 4. That means we are getting negative 2,500. So it's negative because the denominator is negative. So then we get a negative value. Anyway, it should be negative, yes. Why? Because this is sloping. This is sloping up or down? Downwards, yes, sloping downward. But don't you think it is coming up
No,
from here?
no. Starting value.
From the starting. Very good. So we have to check from the starting. Then that means as the x value or the explanatory variable or independent variable increases, y is going down. Right? That's what we say. Yes, you have to say this correct. So basically, this is negative. So then we can find the if you want. Yeah. So we have 27,500, which is A. Now we found B, which is negative 2500, then we can say in terms of what are they asking? V and T again. V equals 27,500 minus 2500 T. Yeah. So that's the equation. And then okay, at what rate does the value of the car depreciate with time? That is, by how much does its value decreases each year, right? Each year it is decreasing by how much? 2500. And then yeah, 2500, right, per year. And when does the equation predict the car value zero value? Zero value would be, we can't see here, but we can apply the equation. So how V will be, V is equal to 0, 27,500 minus 2,500 T. Then we can find then you can bring 2,500 to this side. Becomes positive. Yeah. You agree? Yeah. So 0 equals 27,500 minus 2,500 T. Then 2,500 you can carry to the left hand side. Then becomes positive. Then to find T, you are dividing both sides by 2,500. This one goes into this. So what is left behind is T. Then 2,500 go, two zeros going there. 25 goes into 275. 11. So after 11 years, this will be 0. Yeah, see, after 11 years, it will be 0. Right? Good. You want to try this one?
Confused on the question.
You're confused? All right.
Zero.
Yeah, so yeah, you are correct. 0 equals, yeah, you're getting 4,000. You sure it's 4,000? No. Sorry,
40,000.
40,000 yeah.
Okay.
minus
Um,
1,300. You sure? No. No, no, not 1,300. What's the right to get more one? Yeah, this one is not 3,500, yes? 35,000. Zero missing.
I got it. Yeah, if I do.
6 and 10,000. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that. Wait, would I do? What would the answer be for that one?
For which one? This one?
Yeah.
40,000, you took 4,000 and 10,000, yes? Yeah, and then x2 is 0. Now, which one did you take?
35.
Okay, so then you'll take it like here.
And I took 6.
Yeah, so this is going to be 35,000. And x2 is 1. And this is 6, yes? Yeah, so then basically 25,000 divided by minus 5, which is minus, good. With this is the B. So A, what's A?
Pardon?
What's A?
A A would be 40,000.
40,000, and this one is minus 5,000, and then this is going to be T, and then this one we are saying equal to V. Yeah. So then now we are saying V is going to be 0. And now apply, now find 40. It would be 8. T is 8, correct. So basically 5,000 T is equal to 40,000. So you divide both sides by 5,000, and then as a result T is 8. Yeah, correct. Okay, the rest you should be fine, yes? Okay, good. All right. So then you are good to do exercises in 5G. Then we'll do the simultaneous next time.
Okay.
Are you going to have any test or anything for school?
Yeah, it's not a stats, it's a test basically.
When do you have it?
Next week Wednesday. We finished all the chapters, like these chapters is preparation now. Yeah, for the test.
Alright.
Yeah.
So this, I mean, the coming week, Wednesday? Coming Wednesday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have any pamphlets?
Ah, yes, 5. Yeah. Can
Dad.
your dad email? Yeah. Is it info@tax-app? Okay, I'll send it. Yeah, sure. I'll send it. So you need basically from chapter 5, yes?
Yes.
Okay. All right.